darlings? What's up? And welcome back to my channel. My name is Darling Anita, and I talk about lifestyle, travel, and fashion. Well, today I am going to talk about my sorority, my sisterhood, my love. And today it is our Founders Day, 108th. I just wish that we could be together to celebrate, but unfortunately, due to the pandemic, we have to do a lot of things virtual, but we are together in spirit. And my sisters, I cannot wait to see you guys real soon. And I do want to talk about the sweater that I have on today. It is a sweater from our 100th Founders Day that we celebrated in Washington. It has the 100th on here as well as in the back. And it has pockets. It's very comfortable. I do have like just a little t-shirt up under here and some jeans. A nice sweater that I will keep with memories for years and years to come. So with enough of all of the rambling, I do want to go ahead and unbox my Delta box. Now, I haven't opened it, and I'm so excited, and like it's no other time than to open it on our Founders Day. Here's the box. You know, packaging is so important to me, and this is packaged so nice. I just cannot wait to see what's in it. So let's go ahead and see what's in it. I got this in December, so this is the December Delta box but I am opening it up for Founders Day. I waited that long, okay? All right. Again, the packaging is packaged so nice. So again, like I said on my other unboxing, whoever takes the time to do this, they are doing an awesome job. Kudos, thumbs up to you. All right, so of course it comes with a card. I don't have my glasses, so I really can't see it. So everything that's on the card, when I do sit down to read it, it is some words of encouragement and why, and the reason of what we do have in our box. All right, so oh, hey, let me. Oh, excellence is lethal. Ooh, girl, speaking, honey. Oh, it's a journal. Oh my God. I said I was trying to find me one for 2021 because the one that I received last year, I've used it up. Oh, this is nice. Oh, and it has sayings from our sorors. Let me go look for the month of August, my birthday month, and see what words. Oh, shoot, I don't have my glasses. I think you have to chase your life even harder than you chase your career. Who said that? I can't even see it. Oh my God. But one of our sorors said this. This is so nice. Oh my God. It has, you can write everything down, the weekly planner, what you got planned for the day. I love this. All right, so let's see what else is in here. Oh, of course, we have pens. Very nice. 22 pounders. Yeah. Okay. This is okay, guys. Is this a jean jacket? Girls, it is a jean jacket. Okay, so on January 13, 1913, 22 women had to go or was that on a mission to make the world a little greater, and in 1913 founded Delta Sigma Theta. Oh my God, this is so nice. You guys, I cannot wait to sport this jacket. You continue to outdo yourself, and I just love it. I love it. So you guys, tell me what you think about the items that are on in my box. Again, I just cannot wait to wear this. I thinking I gotta go buy me some black jeans now to wear with these. Of course, I have my red tennis shoes to go with it. This is a nice jacket. It's very thick, and I just love it. Again, thank you to my sorors that get together to put this together. You guys are awesome. I love you, and I wouldn't trade you for nothing in the world. For our 22 founders to come together and to create something as great as this, I would not have made any other choice but to be with you all. Again, if you have not been following me or you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. I am looking to increase my numbers, but I'm also looking to give you great inspirations on fashion, travel, and lifestyle changes. Remember that you are beautiful from your head all the way down to your toes. Know that you are loved. You're loved by me, and most of all, you're loved by God. Until the next video, you be safe, you be sweet. And to my sorors, I love you, and I love you all. Bye-bye.